In a desert vast and barren, the Roadrunner held a race. The desert's creatures gathered, each eager to take part. A hare, a tortoise, a squirrel, and a wise old owl. An antelope, a fox, a jackal, and even a mule. The race was to be a test of speed and cunning. A contest where the swiftest would surely win. For the Roadrunner, the swiftest in the land, was seeking a challenger to call his friend. The hare, the fastest of the lot, declared his intent. The squirrel, with agility, also joined the fray. The antelope, with grace, and the owl, with wisdom. The fox, with guile, and the jackal, with his cunning way. The mule, the slowest of the bunch, approached the start. With a wry smile on his face, and a heart that beat with glee. He knew he couldn't win, yet he had something to prove. That in life, there's more than just speed to be. As the race began, the hare took off like a flash. The squirrel, antelope, and owl followed close behind. The fox and jackal watched from the sidelines, each wondering if they had made the wrong decision to dine. The hare led the race, with a distance so great. The others struggled to keep up with his pace. The mule, lagging behind, seemed to slow his gait. Yet he smiled, and took his time, to think of his case. The hare, confident in his lead, decided to rest, assuming the others had fallen far behind. But the mule, using his wisdom, saw the hare's quest, and continued on, though he was still far behind. The squirrel, the antelope, and the owl pressed on, each determined to reach the finish line. The fox and the jackal, too late to make amends, watched as the mule began to draw near, the sun began to shine. The hare, awakening from his slumber, saw the mule. With a shock, he realized he was in a race. The mule, with a smile, continued to pursue. For he knew he could win if he just stayed the pace. The hare, in panic, tried to regain his lead. But the mule, with wisdom and strength, refused to yield. The race continued, with both giving their all, till the mule, with a final burst, crossed the finish line and stood tall. The desert creatures, amazed, looked on in awe. The hare, defeated, hung his head in shame. The mule, victorious, approached the Roadrunner, who, with a smile said, "Today, you've taught us something new, my friend." For the race was not just about speed and cunning, but about persistence, wisdom, and the power to choose. The mule, the slowest of the bunch, had proven his worth. He had shown that in life, it's not just about the speed we've got,